Welcome back to Trippa Trading. Today I'm excited to introduce you to not one, but two of the most accurate indicators on TradingView. These powerful tools are exceptional at illustrating market trends. In this video, we're going deep into a unique and potent entry trading strategy that combines the strength of these two highly effective technical indicators. So without wasting any time, let's open our TradingView chart. So I'm in TradingView, and this is what our chart is going to look like when we're done setting up our indicators. I'm going to be using a Bitcoin chart to explain this strategy. I'll quickly remove these indicators from the chart so I can explain their settings from the beginning. First of all, to get started, the first thing we need to do is add this incredible indicator to our chart. So it's pretty simple. We will click on the Indicators tab and in the search bar type Vumanchu, and then add this indicator Vumanchu cipher A to the chart. So this is the indicator we'll be using. At first glance, it might feel complicated, but don't worry, we'll simplify it by explaining each of these small parts step by step. First of all, let's talk about these moving average ribbons when they're in full color from white to blue, like it is here. It signals an overall bullish trend. On the other hand, when all the ribbons turn gray, like it is here, it indicates an overall bearish trend. Now let's understand, what are these symbols? Whenever you spot yellow diamonds, it generally means the buying trend will continue, and these green dots are also generally bullish symbols. However, it's always wise to look for additional confirmation from other indicators. These blue triangles we see over here indicate a likely reversal of the previous trend. We also have these small red diamonds. Consider them your first warning sign that the current move might be losing momentum. After that, we have these red symbols. It's a hard warning that it's time to consider taking your profits and exiting the market, or even considering opening a sell trade. Last but not least, we have these big red diamonds. These big red diamonds are a last warning given by this indicator that after this, we can expect the market to go in the downward direction. So this was all that you all need to know about this indicator. Now, let's head over to these indicator settings. In the input section, set the EM1 length to 50 and EMA2 length to 200. After this, we will access the Style section. We will disable all the EMAs except EMA1 and EMA2. Once you're done, click on OK to save the changes, and this is going to be it for this indicator. By the way, if you don't feel like analyzing prices yourself, you can join my free Telegram group. Here I share daily the buy and sell positions I open. The link is in the description below this video. Of course, we will not blindly follow the signals of this indicator. To increase the accuracy of this indicator even more, we will add one more indicator to the chart. So to add another indicator to the chart, we'll click on the Indicators tab again. And then in the Search tab, we will type Vumanchu and select this first one, Vumanchu cipher Behavior cipher divergences, and add it to the chart. Now let's see how we can read this indicator on the chart. So these green and red dots represent buying and selling wave trend points respectively. And here we have the purple line, which represents the RSI line. When the line turns red, it means that the asset is overbought. On the other hand, when it changes to green, it indicates that the asset is now oversold. Then here you have this blue wave, which is called the momentum wave, indicating changes in price action momentum and overall movement, including potential reversals. If you take a closer look here, you will notice the light blue color changing into a dark blue shade. This is likely a sign of a trend reversal. Then we have this thick line that changes from green to red sometimes. This is called the money flow. So if it's green, that means money is flowing into the asset and you'll likely see a buying trend. On the other hand, if you see red color like it is here, that indicates that people are withdrawing their money out of this asset. So you will likely see a selling bias in the market. Now let's head over to the indicator settings. In the input section, we will uncheck this regular divergence option. And after that, we also have to disable the stochastic RSI. Once you're done, click on OK to save the changes. And this is going to be it for this indicator. Now that we've covered the foundation of our strategy, let's go through the complete rules for entering a buy and sell trade using this strategy. If you are wondering which exchange I trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on, you can press the link below this video and take a look at Bybit. On this platform, you can easily make a deposit from your bank account and trade over 150 cryptocurrencies. You can use leverage up to 100 times while trading to make profits even faster. In addition, you can use a 4-price layout to keep an eye on multiple cryptocurrencies at the same time. If you also want to trade on this exchange, visit Bybit through the link below this video, because through the link, you will get a deposit bonus up to $30,033. So for a buy trade to be valid, first of all, the price must be above the 200-period EMA, just like it is here. Then it should fall back closer to the 50-period EMA. After this happens, we will look at our second indicator down here. This blue wave should change from a light blue color to dark blue color, which will result in the indicator printing a green dot. Finally, this line here should be green in color, which we have already discussed means that more people are buying this asset. If all of these conditions are met, you can open a buy position. So I will open a buy position here at the next candle. We will set our stop loss just below the most recent swing low, or you can also set the stop loss at the 50-period EMA line. And we will set our take profit target at 2. Now let's see if the price will hit our take profit target or not. Let's take a look at one more buy trade example so that you guys can understand the complete rules in detail. Here we can see the 50 EMA is above the 200 EMA, and the price action is trading above the 50 EMA. After that, we will wait for the price to pull back closer to the 50 EMA. And during this process, down here, we will also wait for the light blue wave to change into dark blue color, printing a green dot that indicates a buy signal. And for the final confirmation, we can see the money flow line has already turned green. So all the rules are met on this candle. So we can open a buy position on the next candle. We will set the stop loss at the recent swing low, and the risk to reward ratio will remain the same at 2. I hope you guys have understood the rules for entering a buy trade using this strategy. Now let's go through the rules for entering a sell trade using this strategy. If you don't want to analyze prices yourself, you can join my Telegram group to get free buy and sell signals. The link is in the description below this video. First of all, the price must be trading below the 200-period EMA. Then it should move back closer to the 50-period EMA. After this down here, the wave should change from light blue to dark blue, just like it did here, which will print a red dot here. And finally, this line here should be red in color. If all of these conditions are met, you can open a sell position. So I will open a sell position here on the next candle. We will set our stop loss just above the most recent swing high, or you can also set it at the 50-period EMA line. And our take profit target will remain the same. I hope you guys have understood the rules for entering a buy and a sell trade using this strategy. Please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Also, don't forget to press the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.